Good morning everyone. Hello kids and welcome to our online learning classes. So kids, this is our cognitive skill maths class. So kids, today we will learn a new thing, and that is of greater than, less than and equals to. So what is greater than, what is less than and what is equals to? Okay kids, when we place the objects in two sides or in two portions, like in one side there are more objects and in the other side there are less objects, we say that it is a greater number of object, or we say that in this side there is greater number of object. So what is the sign of greater than? Yes. So this is, okay. So this sign represent greater than. This sign is open towards the greater number of object. Okay, again less than. So when we place the object in two sides, and in one side there is greater number of object and in the other side there is less than, so we have to put the less than sign, like put the sign less than to the greater number, like, so we put the sign like this. Yes, this sign represent less number of object, this sign represent greater number of object, and this sign represent less number of objects, right? So what is equals to? Yes, okay, when we compare things or when we place the things again in two sides, like in one side there are 5 apples and in one side there are 5 apples. So both the apples are equal, like I have got in left hand 5 apples and in the right hand again 5 apples. So both are equal. So what is the sign of equal? Yes, this sign represents equal. This sign represent equal. So kids, when this is a sign, when it is open towards an object, it represent this number of this object is greater than this. So when this sign is represent, like this sign is placed, we say that it is a less than sign. And when two objects are equal, we say them as equals to. So similarly, as you can see, I have drawn lots of pictures. So what we are going to do? First, we are going to identify the pictures and then we are going to write down the numbers in this box here. Okay? And after that, we are going to compare, like in which side there are more number of objects, and accordingly, we have to put the sign. So remember, this is a greater than sign, this is the less than sign, and this is the equals to. So here you can see 1, 2 butterflies. So I am going to write, yes, 2. So I am going to write 2 butterflies. So I have written 2 in this place. So similarly, yes, similarly again count with me everyone. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 butterflies. In this side there are 2 butterflies and in this side 4 butterflies. So we can see and we can compare in which side there are more number of butterflies. So this side, so it is a greater than sign. This sign represent, so we have to put it a greater than, right? We are going to compare. So this is a greater than sign. Got it? Similarly, in the second picture there are 1, 2 and 3. 3 flowers. So everyone write 3 in this place, and in this side only 1 flower. So we are going to put 1 number. And again we have to compare in which side there is less flower and which side there is more flowers. Yes, this side is more and this side is less. So what we are going to do? How we are going to put the less than sign? Yes, this is the less than sign. Yes, this is less than. Got it? This in this side there are greater number of flowers, more amount of flowers, and this side only 1 flower. So this sign represent less than. Okay, let's count 1, 2. 2 trees. So write 2 in this box and 1, 2 in this side. So there is no more or less objects. 2 trees this side, 2 trees in this side. So which sign we are going to put? Yes, equals to. So this sign represents equals to. This sign is of greater than sign, this sign is less than, and this one is equals to. So you all have to practice it. So what you have to do, you all have to take out your maths book and page number 46 and 47. So you can see pictures has been like given, along with that signs have been placed. So first you have to like understand this page, after that you have to do this worksheet. So here you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lollipops and 1, 2, 3, 4. So in which place there are more number of lollipops? Yes, this side. So it is a greater than sign. So rest of the worksheet, what you have to do? Yes, you have to finish it up, and after that you have to share me the videos and photos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.